On Campr, we've certainly done plenty of beach drives. Fraser, Moreton, Evans Head, Bribie Island to name a few. And every time we go anywhere, we tell you to drop your tyre pressure. Very rarely do we ever talk about pumping them up again, which is enormously important. It's not only really bad for your tyres to drive on the bitumen or low-tide sand with underinflated tyres, it's also quite dangerous. If you're planning on doing any serious, regular four-wheel driving, I'd encourage you to buy a small air compressor. They don't take up much room and they'll cover off on a myriad of jobs and keep you safe at the same time. Don't buy a cheap one, they just don't work. You need to buy something with a decent motor that can do the job. And once again, it is so fantastic to be completely independent. It's a great feeling and one that we all aspire to when leaving the bitumen for the beach or bush. The air compressor that we're testing today comes from Bushranger. The Black Max delivers 66 litres of air a minute and really packs a punch. So what can I say about Bushranger's Maxair 3? Well, it's taken me only 5 minutes to set it up. Didn't even look at the instructions, didn't really need to. It's nice and heavy, so you know that the unit's going to work well. And we're about to put it to the test. I'm going to rig up the battery and we'll get this compressor going. The only tricky part with the portable version is to make sure that your positive and negative terminals are correct, and then away you go. Getting your PSI back up to where it should be is good for your tyres and won't see you backed up at the local servo waiting for free air. So that's done the job in really quick time, and you know, normally you're doing these things in the sun, it's hot, it's dry, you want to get to the fun stuff. You don't want to be hanging around all day pumping your tyres up. If you get one of these, you'll do it quick. Really good. So there you go, you can pick this unit up for about $250, about half the price of a standard four-wheel drive tyre, and the peace of mind that it offers will stay with you forever. These units can be fitted under the hood or can remain portable. The crew from ARB can find a spot to fit your compressor if you so desire. The Bushranger Maxair is available from ARB stores across the country.